viewers, I've come again. This is Afe Ademola Johnson, your chemistry tutor, your biology tutor, and so we are inviting you to our physical class in Christ Rock Academy for JAMB, for post-UTME, for entrance exam into nursing schools, IJMB, and every other preparatory classes. We have started. It's an evening lecture. You can go to your school and come back. You can go to your working place and come back to learn in the evening. There is no darkness. There is 24 hours light here. So, and as God is helping us. So, and this Christ Rock Academy is at Total Junction at Ekai Community, Benin City, Saple Road. God bless you. Let's continue. We want to talk about amine. Different from amide that we discussed earlier in the previous video. Amine. There are 4 types of amine. We have primary amine, we have secondary amine, we have tertiary amine, and we have quaternary amine. So we are beginning with primary amine. The general formula for primary amine is RNH2. You can see, different from amide, that is, you have CO before you have the NH2. So, and don't forget that this your R is same as CN, A2N plus 1, then you have NH2. So, that is that. So, we can see write this, okay? So, that's another way of writing this. Now, if you like, you can see write as R, N, 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen, no problem. Now, this your R can also be, it can also, okay, then the functional group is what? NH2. Or you have N1 hydrogen here, another 1 hydrogen here. The surface name is this name, amine. Amine group. Amine group. While the suffix name, the prefix name is, amino group. Amino group. This is amino group. Now, let's look at common examples of this. If the formula is CN A2N plus 1 and you have NH2, yes, you can see that the functional group does not have carbon atom in it. Now, if your N is 1, you have C1, H, you have 2 here before, times 1 plus this one, then NH2. So remove the 1, you have C, A, 2 times 1 is 2. That 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then you have NH2. You can say they write this formula as C, you have 1 hydrogen here, another one here, another one there. Then you have what? NH2. Now, when you have this, if it is 1 carbon atom that is present in this molecule, the name of the active group is methyl. You have what? Methylamine. Then the name of this NH2 is what? Amine. Methylamine. What if your N is what? Is 2. You have C2 instead of this H, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, that's 5. Then you have NH2. So this is the molecular formula. Then we want to write the structural formula, tear this carbon into 2, 1, 2. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, making it H5. Then you have NH2. Now, because it is 2 carbon atoms you have here, that this is what? Ethylamine. Ethylamine. You can write the bond line notation as this. This carbon is this carbon, this bond is this line, this carbon is this carbon. This line now is this line. Then this NH2 is this. So, or can begin like this. So you have your NH2. So anyone you like is your bond line notation. Now, there are cases where you can also have something like this. now have NH2 here. Let me even put another NH2 here. They serve different purpose. Now, this one is joined to carbon number 1. It bears suffix amine. While the one that is joined as a brand, it bears suffix what? Amino group. Now, if it is that, you count, and the functional group that is attached to a terminal carbon, the first or the last carbon, takes over. It becomes the major functional group, not the one that is a branch. Then counting, the carbon atom that bears it must carry the lowest possible number. If you count from here, this is 1. But if you count from here, this is 3. 1, 2, 3. But from here is 1. So 1 is smaller than 3. So this amino group is joined to carbon number 2. If you start 1, 2, then you have 2 amino. How many carbon is 1, 2, 3? Propyl, then amine. But this NH2 is hydrogen. It is just with 2 amino propane. Propane, ANE, because it's alkane that is there. But now, then here, the condensed formula can be what? CH3, which is C surrounded with 3 hydrogen. Then you have CH, then this one is put inside the bracket. Then you have what? CH2, then you have NH2. So then the bond line notation will now be what? Can have something like this. But let me begin like this. Anyhow, that one is also correct. This carbon is this carbon. This bond is this line. This carbon is this carbon. This bond is this line. This carbon is this carbon. Then I have NH2 here. Then I have NH2 here. That's correct. Then it is not compulsory. Your alkyl group can still be your R. Can also mean benzene. Benzene or aryl group. Often called phenyl. Call it phenyl group. So in that words, if you are having, you can begin to have something like this. Then this one, that's benzene joined to what? To NH2. Now you call this one phenylamine. 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 So that is that. I hope you understand primary amine very well, because we are moving now straight to secondary amine. We are going to secondary amine now. So we are going to talk about secondary now. Secondary amine. Secondary amine. Now, I want to tell you generally that amine are generally gotten from ammonia, which is NH3. So if one